G'day guys, so I'm going to be relocating this sewer vent, or stink pipe as we more commonly call them here in Australia due to the foul smells that escape from the top of the vent. Stink pipes prevent sewer gases and fumes from entering your home, but their main function is to allow the sewer and drain system to flow freely. They do so by allowing the air to flow into the drain system, thereby equalising the pressure within the pipes. I'm relocating this due to getting solar panels, or new solar panels installed shortly, and this is currently in the way, so we're going to move it down that way instead of having, panel here, a gap for the stink pipe, and then another panel. So it's going that way. Let's get into it. First things first, we just get rid of this old pipe. Don't mind the dead spider there, but I've hacked this off. It's not pretty, but this pipe here is rusted. I'll show you in a second. If you were trying to keep this pipe, if it was in good condition, you could have just cut it off here and then you could use this and put a bend, but I'm going to be replacing this because I'll show you. We go down to the bottom of the pipe here. Let's move this ladder out of the way. I got this, and the old homeowners left a surprise there. It was rusting out. So yeah, I'm just going to replace from here up. Now I'm going to remove and replace these tiles. So I just had this spare bit of plastic lay around that I just cut. Just going to glue it into place to cover that hole up, and then I'll put some filler on the other side. There you go. Place the spare tiles. One of them was already painted. I've obviously got to paint this one and paint this here. I'll do that later. The existing pipe was 100mm, so I'm just using the same size pipe. Lucky I had some laying under the house. There's a whole bunch of stuff under there, thankfully. Needs to be DWV, drain waste vent. So measure what you need and then cut it out. I'm just going to use some PVC cement on any joins. So grab your level, hold it up against the pipe, get it to roughly level. It's pretty good there. Grab your trusty pencil. I've made a mark there, you can hopefully see. That's roughly level if I have that up against there. Grab your old bracket or new one if you've got a new one. Whack it on the pipe. Ensure my pipe is at that line there so I know it's pretty much level. Bring this down a fraction. Just loosen that up a bit until I put the other one on. Now I've got this here that covers some electrical wires. So I've got a couple of 45-degree bends that I joined together. There's a female to female bend, and this is a male to female bend, and I've glued those together. Then I'll whack that on there, same on the other side, just so we can get over this, and then that way I can still slide this down and pull it out if need be. Finish it off, I've got cement cowl, which lets the air flow and keeps all the nasties out. Here it is all finished. This is where we started. Up there. And up there. I will just point out it's higher here and it drops down slightly there, so that's lower than there, just in case any water and stuff does get in, it will flow and go back down. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.